Welcome. I should begin by pointing out that this video relates to the cloud version of ClockIn. In this video we will create a database and then connect Cloud ClockIn to that database. If you have a website and a hosting account, you may be able to add an additional database to that account. You can then connect ClockIn to that database. In this video we will use the very popular CPanel to create our new database. After opening CPanel, scroll down to the Databases section and there click on the MySQL Databases link or icon. Then type the name of your new database and click the Create Database button as shown here. After you create the database, you will then need to create a user for that database. Scroll down to the user section and then type in a username. You must then enter a password for that user. After repeating the password, click the Create User button. When this has been completed, scroll down the page to the Add User to Database section. Ensure the user and database names displayed are those you have just entered. Then click the Add button and select the All Privileges checkbox. Then click the Make Changes button. You now have successfully created a database we can use with the cloud version of ClockIn. One final action we need to perform is to allow remote access to our database. To do this, go back to the Databases section in CPanel and click the Remote MySQL button or link. For security, the safest option here is to Google "What's my IP?" That will be the IP address of the computer running the cloud version of ClockIn, and enter that IP address here. You will need to repeat this process for each of the clients or computers that will be running ClockIn when they are running from different locations or buildings. An alternative is what we have done here, but is not recommended, is to enter the wildcard character, which will allow remote access from all clients. Now that we have created our database and enabled remote access to that database, we will enter its details in the database section of Cloud ClockIn. To save time, I have typed in the database connection details here. When all details have been typed, click the Save button. Note the red icon on the left should turn to green after a successful connection has been made with the database. Then restart the application. Again, here, a green icon on the bottom left-hand corner will show that the application has successfully connected with the database during launch. We will now enter our first test employee to ensure the database and the application are working as expected. With Cloud ClockIn, an employee can now clock in on one computer and clock out on another, and all clients are updated with the same information. At the end of the week, a single weekly report is sent regardless of the number of clients. For more information, I invite you to check out a set of related videos on explorepixis.com. Thank you.